Hello, code with Rana's members and the awesome iOS, Android, and Windows stuff members, basically. Um, we are going to be talking a little bit about stuff like that, about things in CWR. CWR is the new type of thing for BCC, so we use this for BCC. And Basic Coding Club is kind of changing in the way that it's finished. So now, codewithramas.com is going to be in here right now. So you guys can check out the website yourself. It's a free access. Basic Coding Club is finished. So if you were to open up our old website, which we can finish up here. I'm thinking of linking it together so that we don't have a no use cover. So I may do that, which I most probably am, but that's the basic stuff. I'm sending you an accessible link. The other one I'm going to delete because there's no need in that one. These are the two ones that you need. That you would need, basically. So basically that would be it for the name is changing, the little differences are changing, so it was a little different than before. So it's not gonna be basic. And so Basic Coding Club is changing, and we are instead changing it to Awesome iOS, no, to codewithfarmers.com. So I will be doing some teaching on this soon. So Code with Ramas has the courses like the animation course, like always. And actually, let me tell you something, that the animation course has changed their little, how do I say this? The conversations kind of changed. So if you were to look at it in a different way, the conversations changed, and the presentation, like the old presentations, have changed, so they're not those old, boring ones. We want things. So we are actually going to have workbooks for Code with Ramas Club, whatever it's going to be named next year. So this is some informational video. Today was the last Basic Coding Club class, but now we like to call it Code with Mamas because the curriculum is kind of a little different, but really too much of a difference. So Code with Mamas is changing that idea of how we are looking at stuff. So if you were to open up codewithramas.com, we will be eventually teaching site designing, logo creating, and so much more. So I'm going to teach you a little bit of Python maybe right now, if you guys are okay with it. So basically Python is a computer language. It's a snake, we know that. And it's not really too complicated. It's actually kind of like a beginner's level. So if you were to make a question program, right? You say, here's how to make, okay, sorry, question equals input, and then you do a parentheses, and then you do quotation mark. What is Python? You can write whatever question you have, and then you click, then you do the, and then you do quotation mark, and then it says your question equals input. No, then it says if answer equals computer quotation mark computer language. So that's the answer area. So if answer equals quotation mark answer, print correct. Else print incorrect. Get it? What is elf? Elf. If, elif, and else. They're basically conditions of a certain type of code. So we're gonna have a little. You can like write down these. I'm gonna write these down in the comments. So you should have these as a little quiz. So first question is, let me write these down. What is Python? Is okay. This is just a little question. Question on it, and basically, like, see, that's like a beginning. So I'm gonna forward on to that. And the computer screen. See, when you get that. And so for that, like, basically, we will teach, like, and we will actually let you access. We'll have it on a website, and we are making a summer club on YouTube. So we'll like some websites stuff to see how it works. So basically, that would be it on that stuff. So about computers, we know what we have this all about how it is. So if you understand, that's amazing because that's something that we should understand. That's something that's good to understand. And so basic coding club is gonna do this, and this is how it's gonna work. And basic coding club is technically finished. So uh, technically our last class was today, um, and we had a pretty okay time. So we will be teaching that. We will have that ready for you. And if there's any problems with it, if there's any, please tell me. Um, if you are not, if there's something new you want to learn, you want us to change about the website, please tell us because we have the website ready for you to check it out right now because I literally have it ready for you guys so you guys can check it out so that you have it ready for yourself. So basically, that's it, and that's how it's gonna work, and that's how it would be. So I wish it would be okay for you guys. If it is good for you guys, please tell me how it works, how you think it is, and how you think the basic coding club stuff has changed. Please tell me in our live stream, and we will continue in a few minutes. And where we may end in a second or two.